What animal do you hear? What animal sound do you hear? Correct, it's a duck. Let's put the word duck in a short sentence. I hear a duck. Say it with me. I hear a duck. Fantastic! Now what do you hear? Yes, it's a horse. I hear a horse. Again, I hear a horse. Wonderful. What do you hear? Terrific! It's a cow. I hear a cow. One more time. I hear a cow. Now what do you hear? It's a chicken. I hear a chicken. Again, I hear a chicken. Great job. What sound is this? Awesome! It's a pig. I hear a pig. Say it with me. I hear a pig. What animal is this? Correct, it's a sheep. I hear a sheep. Again, I hear a sheep. Very good. Now what do you hear? Yes, it's a cat. I hear a cat. Again, I hear a cat. Last one. Can you tell me what you hear? You're right, it's a dog. I hear a dog. One more time. I hear a dog. You did an awesome job guessing all the animal sounds and putting them into sentences. I hope to see you again soon.
See